Live from San Diego, this is the Fox 5 Morning News at 9.
On today's Made in San Diego, we have a local company that keeps salons clean with their eco-friendly products. Joining us now is owner Daniel Johnson from Salon Chair Guys. And welcome. Good morning to you.
Hi, and thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Now, you've been in business for more than 20 years. So how did this all start?
Well, actually, in 1996, my father, after about 20 years of doing hair, decided that he wanted to retire and focus on salon equipment repair. He really didn't like the fact that there were no repair options for salon equipment after you purchased the equipment, and that a lot of that equipment ended up in landfills, back alleys, or just basically thrown away. So he really wanted to dedicate his life to providing options for San Diego, which, of course, by that time, a lot of the stylists and barbers in town were his friends. So he started out doing it for his friends and turned into a business. I was actually a freshman at San Diego State, so it gave me an opportunity to go to school, work with him. It was a little bit of bonding time between the two of us. I moved away, and he decided that he was going to retire, and he asked that I keep the business open. So me and my best friend, Brian Moses, decided to come back to San Diego, and we reopened the business.
So there we go. So a family-run business. So how are your cleaning products unique?
Well, first, they're eco-friendly and non-toxic, and we chose that because we wanted to make sure that we didn't add to any of the additional harsh chemicals that are already in salons. Their working environment is a subject that's hardly ever talked about, but stylists subject themselves to really sometimes harsh environments in order to provide the services that they do. It also removes product buildup and hairspray. Now, upholstery is one of our core surfaces. So when we would reupholster a chair, our customers would ask what should they use to keep it clean, and we didn't have any options, so we decided to create one. We really like it because it makes a statement that in order to be clean, you don't have to use harsh chemicals. And it's there to protect the customers as well as the stylists and barbers.
And you know what? It's interesting because during a time like this, during COVID and during this pandemic, some people might think a harsher chemical is something that you would want to use because you're thinking, I need it to be clean. So can you talk to us about how cleanliness is a little different and how this is still very much effective?
Sure. Well, first I want to start off by saying that hairstylists and hairstylists, barbers, MUAs, makeup artists, and nail techs. I mean, they do a lot of education, and they spend a lot of time learning about sanitation, cleaning, and disinfection. So they are already pros at this. What we do, since vinyl fabric is a porous substance, it's kind of like your skin, so you can't completely disinfect it. The EPA recommends detergent or actually soap and water to use on vinyl fabric or leather in order to break up COVID-19 and to wash it away. So our product is basically a detergent that you would use to prep for disinfection. So you can use this detergent to remove product buildup, inanimate organic matter, hairspray buildup, any type of product. And so you would use that first to wipe it away and clean it. And then second, you would follow up with an eco-friendly disinfectant. And there's several in the market that actually can clean, but also keep you and your customers safe.
I see. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, so there is a Love Your Chair Community Service Group Facebook page, and they're looking for volunteers. What kind of tasks are being asked?
Well, thank you for asking about that. What we have is our community service group is called Love Your Chair. And what we do is we try to inspire barbers and stylists in the San Diego area to give back some of their time. Over the past 3 years, we've partnered with K-Cuts Barbershop in Lemon Grove. And we've given away haircuts for kids going back to school, and we've given away backpacks full of school supplies. So we would like to encourage any stylists or barbers in the area who would like to dedicate some of their time to find us on Facebook at Love Your Chair and sign up if you'd like to help us do some good in the world.
That's awesome. And real quick, so is it just professional salons that can buy these products, or can anybody on the street just purchase them?
Well, yeah, they're purchasable from Amazon, so you can buy them online. We have our Salon Chair Cleaner and our Salon Chair Chrome Cleaner, but we also have a leather and vinyl cleaner that's good for general use. My mother actually uses it on her couch. She's pretty proud of that. But yeah, it's good for any leather and vinyl surfaces, whether it's car interiors, purses, leather jackets. So we do have an option for everyone if you'd like to support us, and we do appreciate any business.
Perfect. Daniel Johnson for us this morning. Thank you for being with us. And to learn more about the products from the Salon Chair guys, head to fox5sandiego.com and click on the Scene On tab. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I really do appreciate you giving us attention.
Thank you.